If you're seeing a Photopea rendering error, glitchy canvas artifacts, missing layers, or weird visual corruption, don't worry, in this video I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing normally. We're going to cover the most common causes of rendering problems inside Photopea, including WebGL issues, browser extension conflicts, heavy smart objects, and oversized documents. By the end, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot the problem and stabilize your project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes like this. First, let's start with the easiest and most common fix, turning off WebGL mode. In many cases, visual canvas glitches happen because the WebGL pipeline is failing in your browser. When that happens, Photopea can struggle to render the document properly. To disable it, open Photopea in your browser, then go up to the top menu bar and click More. Inside that menu, find Use WebGL and uncheck it. This forces Photopea to switch to a more stable CPU-based 2D rendering mode. After that, reload your image or reopen your project file and check whether the rendering issue is gone. For a lot of users, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to test Photopea in Incognito mode or a private browsing window. This is important because browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, and dark mode tools often inject scripts or styles into web apps. That injection can interfere with canvas rendering and cause severe glitches. To test this, press Command-Shift-N on Mac or Control-Shift-N on Windows to open an Incognito window. Then go to photopea.com and open the same project again. If the rendering artifacts disappear in private mode, that usually means one of your extensions is the cause. In that case, you can go back and disable extensions one by one until you find the one creating the conflict. Now let's move on to another very effective fix, rasterizing heavy smart objects and complex effects. If your document contains live smart objects, stacked filters, heavy Gaussian blur, bevels, or drop shadows, Photopea has to redraw those elements dynamically every time the canvas updates. That can trigger rendering lag or glitches, especially in larger files. To reduce that load, find the affected layer in the Layers panel, right-click it, and choose Rasterize or Rasterize Layer Style. This converts the effect into standard pixels, which makes it much easier for the browser to render smoothly. Keep in mind that rasterizing is best used when you're finished editing that effect, because it reduces the ability to tweak it later. If the error still hasn't cleared, the final step is to lower the document resolution and canvas dimensions. Sometimes rendering errors appear simply because the canvas is too large for the browser's maximum rendering buffer. High-resolution files can push the browser too far, especially if the document is extremely wide or tall. To fix this, go to Image, then Image Size. Check your current dimensions and make sure they stay within reasonable editing limits, ideally under about 8,000 to 10,000 pixels when possible. If the file is oversized, reduce the dimensions, then click OK so Photopea can re-render the canvas buffer properly. After resizing, give the document a moment to refresh and check if the visual error is gone. So to recap, if Photopea is showing a rendering error, first turn off WebGL, then test in Incognito mode, then rasterize heavy layers and effects, and finally reduce the image size if the canvas is too large. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue and get your workspace running smoothly again. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another editing problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.